Morning, guys. How are you today? Hello. It's very good to see you. Please remember to turn on your cameras and that you must keep it that way the whole hour. Thank you very much. Let's give it a little minute to see if someone else joins the meeting, okay? Hello, hello. Up to the rest joins us, please go to the platform and open it and look for the week of September 7th to 11th, okay? Place yourself over there because I'm gonna explain you what are we gonna do, okay? Up to the rest joins the meeting. I'm calling again for those that are not logged in. That's why I'm doing it, okay? Good morning, Diana. Remember about the camera, please. Thank you. Okay, I believe that we are all here. Either way, before we start, as I told your partners, please go to your platform and place yourself into the week of 7 up to 11th. Okay, September 7th to 11th, Anita. Go to your platform and place yourselves over there. Before we go through the activities that are on that week. We're gonna watch a little video just to refresh a little bit in our minds about a topic that that you probably already know, but we need to refresh it in order to do another activity, okay? So tell me when you're there. Are you there? Perfect. Thank you, Alexis. Are you all there? Perfect. Well, first of all, I'm sorry. I'm going to share my screen, okay? Before that, remember to put your attendance. Remember to place present or here in the chat box because of the attendance. Thank you very much. Go do it, please. Thank you. Very good. Thank you very much. So let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So either way, in here, you have this also in your platform though, but we haven't worked on it, so we're gonna do it today, okay? I'm sorry.
Imperatives. Definition.
Pay attention, please, because we're gonna work our activities according to what we see now, okay? Sit down straight, Camacho, thank you.
Imperatives are verbs that create an imperative sentence, a sentence that gives a command or an order. When reading an imperative sentence, it will always sound like the speaker is bossing someone around. Grammar rule. Examples. Sit quietly in the classroom. Don't forget your books. Be nice to your mother and father. Go to market and bring some vegetables. Speak politely with your elders. Remember, to be more polite, you can use please. Please put these cups on the table. Don't make so much noise, please. Can you please help me in this task? Be careful. Use the verb without to and without ing. And don't say you. Don't run in the rooms. Help your parents and elders at home. We say, we don't say. Help your parents and elders at home. Not, you help your parents and elders at home. Don't run in the rooms. Not, don't do running in the rooms. Imperatives. Definition. Imperatives are verbs that create an imperative sentence, a sentence that gives a command or an order. When reading an imperative sentence, it will always sound like the speaker is bossing someone around. Grammar rule. Examples. Sit quietly in the classroom. Don't forget your books. Be nice to your mother and father. Go to market and bring some vegetables. Speak politely with your elders.
Okay. I wanted to repeat the examples twice just because I need you to know exactly what are imperatives about. We have seen it different ways, I'm sorry, through the years. So you know that an imperative gives a direct order, right? Gives you a command or gives you an order, like sit down straight, like don't eat in class, all the rules that we go through in your classroom or at home are called imperatives. When someone says that it's bossing you around, it's because it's giving you orders. That's boss around, giving you orders from someone else, okay? What are you gonna do? In your platform, let me share again so we can have it clear. In your platform, you have this exercise. Can you see it? Ouch.
Yes.
There. Use imperative quiz, complete the worksheet, and email the results to my email, right? That's what I told you to put yourself into the week of 7 and 11th, September 7th to 11th. This is an imperative test. It says, what is the antonym of this imperative? If you say sit down, the opposite, what would it be?
Stand up.
Stand up, right? And turn on the radio.
Turn off.
Turn off, very good. The radio, and so on. You have to, in the first part, you have to write the opposite of that imperative. Then you have write an instruction for each situation. A child reading in a dark, what do you think? Read in a bright area, read in a dark area, read slowly, read aloud. What do you think? What would be the instruction? For that situation, if a child is reading in the dark.
Reading a dark
In the
area.
right area.
Reading a bright area, okay? So you have a bunch of situations there that you need to give an instruction for, okay? Then write an instruction for each situation, the same thing. Liza is very busy right now. What instruction would you give to that? An imperative. Lisa is very busy right now. I can start with saying, don't bother her. To be polite, please. Don't bother her, please. Someone put his feet on the table. Isabel Alejandra, what would you say? To give an imperative.
Don't put your feet on the table.
Perfect. Don't put your feet on the table. Okay, and so depending on the situation, you need to give the imperative, okay? Then you have choose the best answer. Choose the best answer from A, B, C, or D. The window, I feel so hot here. The appropriate verb for the command above is? What would it be? Close, open, don't open, you open. Alexis.
Don't open.
It feels so hot here.
Open.
Open. Open the window. I feel so hot here. That means you're hot and you need to open a window. And the same with all of the rest of the sentences. In here, you have to choose something for your dialogues. The same options. You have to read and try to make sense. Read the sentences and choose the correct options. Okay? And then you click on finish and send it to my email like you always do, okay? So please start working right now. Thank you very much. 2 more minutes. Guys, we run out of time, but I'm gonna wait around 10 more minutes. I'm not gonna wait any longer, okay? So for those that haven't sent them yet, please only 10 more minutes. And before we go, please pay attention to something. You have also a homework. Below the worksheet that you have there, you have something that says imperative homework. And you have the instruction over there. So please follow the instruction in order you to send that homework, okay? You have actually two homeworks in that page. One that it's up to tomorrow, that it's the imperative homework, that's up to tomorrow. And the other one, it's a dialogue homework. You have a dialogue there from a part of a movie, and you are going to pick up a partner to do the dialogue using TikTok, okay? So you need to be very, very creative. This homework, it's up to next week. So you will have the opportunity, the chance to pick up a partner and try to work the dialogue the way it's there, okay? You can use the sound, do it at your most of creativity, okay? Do it as you want, but you must recreate, you must create again, you must redo this dialogue with a partner. Actually, in the dialogue that you have there, there are 4 participants, but actually I just want 2. But in TikTok, like it's like magic, you can play more than one part. And most of the parts are the people that most talk are only 2. The only ones said something like really short, and you can do it as well. So be as creative as you can because this is gonna be like like a speaking quiz also besides a homework. Okay, So try to be as creative as you can. And I'm going to let you pick your partner. I'm not telling you who you have to work with, but only pairs. If you don't have a partner, let me know and I'll try to figure out how to do it, okay? That homework, the dialogue homework, it's up to next week. So you have time to pick your partners, to set up your mind in how you're gonna do it, but you need to go through it, okay? So please remember, imperative homework, it's for tomorrow. And the dialogue, it's for next week. Okay, any questions, please be free to ask. Thank you guys. Remember that for those that haven't sent the worksheets, you have 7 minutes. Thank you, bye.